awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately, but inside, it's just a little baby. Oh,
Drop it.
it's okay to say you got a weak spot.
It's Hoodie Allen.
Always have to be on top.
What up, Marina? You know how we do. They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Hoodie, baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before him. Late night shooting for the moon like Warren. Them hits come out as soon as you hit recording. Born in America, Chevy and Ford, but these Greek ladies loving me. They saying he's foreign. Floored them, blew the crowd down by they bootstrap. Came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to hide what's on their mind like a do-rag. Never would I do that, I'm a real fucking hustler. You be in the background making noise like a muffler, but if it doesn't kill me, it makes me tougher. And that's the message that I pass on to my brother. You never really gonna make a difference till you suffer, but we passed that. Now it's time to smash that thunder.